CFO consultants need health insurance and health care. Hi, this is Jerry L. Mills, author of three highly acclaimed books. Each was written to help CFO consultants find and serve owners of privately held companies. Let's chat about three things regarding health insurance and health care for CFO consultants. Possible options, possible income tax advantages, how to calculate the cost of health insurance into your fees. Historically, dozens of privately held companies fled the market after the Affordable Care Act was passed in 2010. All marketplace plans now must cover treatment for pre-existing conditions. Today, there are some options that CFO consultants might consider about health insurance and health care. First, NASE.com. NASE stands for National Association for the Self-Employed. One can go to their website and request quotes for major medical, dental, and other types of insurance. Second, healthcare.gov, known as ACA, has options for both PPO and HMO from insurance agencies that might include Humana, United Healthcare, Cigna, and others. The bad news is the ACA enrollment periods are very restrictive and usually run from November to the middle of January. The good news is that there are 5 qualifying life events called QLEs that might help one gain insurance outside of the restrictive enrollment period. Third, Amazon One Medical is not a health insurance but is advertised as health care. Fourth, you can call your local health insurance agency for advice. Having a health insurance plan plus health care might be a good option. Health insurance might be best viewed as protection against catastrophic events. Changing topics. Health insurance premiums paid by the self-employed are tax deductible before adjusted gross income on one's Form 1040. Personally, I like deductions from adjusted gross income. As an example, let's say the annual health insurance premium for a family is $14,000 and their federal income tax rate is 25%. This would mean that income taxes would be reduced by $3,500 for a net annual insurance cost of $10,500. Changing topics, how would a CFO consultant factor the cost of health insurance into an hourly billable rate? It's simple. One would take the insurance cost of $14,000 divided by 48 weeks and divide that by the average billable hours one would incur. Billing an average of 25 hours a week would mean one's hourly fee would need to be increased by $12. An increase of $12 an hour in your fees means the client pays for your health insurance before tax savings. This is the way things should be. We should invoice a loaded fee. Now, how would one increase their hourly rate by $12 to pay for their family's $14,000 insurance premium, assuming a highly competitive market rate in your local market? Well, this is why our firm has a training manual. It's highly likely, following our teachings and processes, your hourly billable rate will be higher than other CFO consultants in your local market. My advice is to be trained by experts in the market to help you with your concerns about health insurance and health care for your family as a CFO consultant. We are the #1 training company in the USA for CFO consultants. This is Jerry L. Mills, sharing advice with those who want to become successful CFO consultants. Thank you.